Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making corn pudding. I call it Moi Moi as well, but it's popularly known as Ukpo by Ika people in Delta State. So yeah, these are my ingredients. I have my blended corn. I'm using some cooked Titus fish. Usually you use some big dried crayfish or dried prawn fish. But I didn't have that, so I just resorted to using my Titus fish. So here is my wrapping leaf. I have my blended crayfish and my palm oil. So now this is the corn I'm going to be using, and I'm using 7 of it. So I'm just going to use the knife method to take out the corn kernel. You can either use your finger or you use the knife method. So once we're done, we'll start prepping our ingredients for our ukpo. So guys, I'm done taking out the corn kernel, and now this is what it's looking like. You can either wash this or if you don't want to wash it. So for me, I washed the ones that fell to the ground. So now guys, I added some onion and some Scotch bonnet pepper, and let's get blending. So guys, I'm just adding some water to my ingredients, and I'm going to blend it slightly. When making a ukpo, you don't blend smoothly, but you can choose to if you want to, but I prefer the consistency to not be smooth at all. So this is what my consistency is looking like after blending. It's really not smooth at all. I just post blend. I think that's what they call it, and that's how I got this consistency. So now I'm just going to add some grinded onion. I'm adding my palm oil to it, and I will also add some seasoning cube as well. I will add some salt to taste, and I will mix this properly. And looking at it, it's a little bit thick, so I'm going to add some water to loosen the mixture up a bit. I'm not going to make it watery or too thick, so it's just going to be in the middle, just like you making your normal moi moi. So and I'm just going to mix this properly, and once I'm done, we'll start wrapping. So guys, I'm just adding some more water into the blended mixture. So I'm just going to stir this, and then we'll start wrapping. But before then, I'm going to put my pot on the fire, put some leaf, put the wrapping stick there, and add just 1 leaf, cover it up, and let it come to a little boil. So this is how you wrap your ukpo, your corn pudding. It's the same method as how you wrap your moi moi as well. So guys, watch carefully to see how I'm going to wrap my corn pudding, my ukpo. So once we're done, we'll get cooking. So immediately I finish wrapping, I just put this in the pot to start cooking while I continue wrapping my corn pudding. So guys, watch and let's do this together. I'm done wrapping now. I'm just going to cover up the wrapped moi moi with one of the leaves and put my pot cover on it, and I'll let this cook for about 45 to 50 minutes. Yeah, once it's ready, I will see you guys. So guys, our corn moi moi is ready now. So yeah, if it's cooked for about almost 50 minutes, and so you can always add water if you feel your corn moi moi is not ready. The easiest way to know if it's ready is you perceive the corn itself while cooking. So yeah, this is what our corn moi moi looks like, guys. And don't forget to try out this recipe. Thank you guys for watching this video, subscribing to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until I see you in my next one. Bye guys.